Hello po. For today's tripping po, we are here at Maria Pucay Road, Pinsao proper. And I have here 500 square meter. Here po sa likod ko. There. Yan po. Can you see it? Pataas, slope up po siya. Beside the road po. Ayan yung frontage niya. Ayan po. So, walking distance lang po siya to the jeep line. Hindi po to daanan ng jeep. Titled po ito, 18K per square meter. And cash lang daw to. Cash lang siya. Pwede yung hati siguro, but then rectangular kasi yung yung shape ng lote. So, there. If you're interested here, pa-PM na lang po. Thank you.